Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everyone, and welcome to this complete Oracle Order Management in Order to Cash training program presented by UNIVERTAX. My name is Simon Connie, and throughout this training series, we are going to explore Oracle ERP systems from both a functional and technical perspective. This is not um, going to be just a navigation course where we click buttons inside Oracle. We are going to understand how real business operates using Oracle ERP systems. We will learn how customer orders move from order entry all the way to shipping, invoicing, payment, collection, and final accounting entries inside the general ledger. Okay, so we will also compare Oracle EBS and Oracle Fusion Cloud because many organizations today are migrating from legacy on premise environments into cloud ecosystems. Understanding both systems gives consultants and professionals a major competitive advantage in the ERP market. Throughout this training, we will study Oracle Order Management, Order to Cash Lifecycle, Oracle EBS flows, Oracle Cloud flows, pricing, inventory, shipping, account receivable, general ledger integration, APIs, OIC integrations, SQL and reporting, PMP implementation methodology, real world healthcare manufacturing project. So, whether you are a student or an Oracle consultant, a business analyst, a project manager, a supply chain professional, a financial professional, ACM, or you are preparing for Oracle interviews or exams, this course is designed to help you understand how enterprise systems truly operate in the real organizations. Now, I have some terminology for you to understand because as we go through, we move forward, I'll use some terminology like Oracle ERP. So I want you to understand when I mention Oracle ERP, which means that ERP is an enterprise system used to manage business operations such as finance, supply chain, procurement, HR, manufacturing, and logistics. And then you hear me saying OM. OM is Oracle Order Management, as a module responsible for customer sales order processing and fulfillment coordination. And you will hear me say O2C, order to cash. So it is a complete business cycle from customer order creation to payment collection and accounting. And also you hear me say Oracle EBS. Oracle EBS is Oracle e-business suite, is Oracle traditional on-premise ERP system. And you hear me say Oracle Fusion Cloud. And Oracle Fusion Cloud is Oracle's modern cloud-based ERP platform. So let's say it's hybrid. So now before we jump into deeply into Oracle Order Management itself, we'll we will need to understand the foundation of all enterprise systems. So, like I said, ERP, enterprise resource planning. Because if students do not understand ERP, they will never fully understand why Oracle order management is so important inside global organizations. Okay, now let's begin with one of the most important concepts in enterprise technology, which is ERP, called enterprise resource planning. So many people hear the word ERP all the time, but they do not fully understand what it means in real, business operation. So an ERP system is essentially the central, nervous system of a company. So let's say, imagine a large hospital, um, manufacturing company, or or logistics, or organization operating without one centralized system. Finance will use one software, inventory another, procurement another, shipping also will use another. What happens? Data becomes inconsistent, inventory gets lost, invoices become incorrect, and management um, lose loses visibility. And that's exactly why ERP system exists. That is, the reason why we are coming here to explain what we can do to fix, you know, things like that. So ERP systems integrate finance, supply chain, procurement, inventory, manufacturing, logistics, um, human resources, you know, uh, customer operation, into one's, centralized platform. So Oracle ERP creates what we call single version of truth. Okay, meaning all departments operate using the same enterprise data. Now, uh, you have to understand, some of, you know, the the terminology as we spoke earlier on. Um, so one of the most important discussion in today's Oracle ecosystem is Oracle EBS versus um, Oracle Cloud, Fusion Cloud. So many organizations, still operate um, Oracle EBS environment while others are actively migrating to Oracle Cloud. So let's understand what does it mean Oracle EBS. Okay, as I said earlier on, it is a traditional way, Oracle's traditional on-premise ERP platform. So on-premise means the company manages its own servers, infrastructure, database, and upgrades internally. So when talk about Oracle Fusion, it is Oracle modern SaaS platform hosted inside Oracle Cloud infrastructure. So cloud system provides scalability, automation, mobile accesses, REST APIs, and AI enabled capabilities. This is why many organizations are transitioning from Oracle EBS to Oracle Fusion Cloud. Okay. So, however, Oracle EBS knowledge remains extremely valuable because thousands of companies still operate EBS environment globally. All right. So, what we need to understand in this situation, I had to be careful on few things. Um, so you have to be very careful because there's a lot of things that we need to masterize. Now, let us uh move into the heart of this training. Okay, and this training today is about Oracle Order Management. Oracle Order Management is also called OM, is one of the most important modules in the entire Oracle supply chain ecosystem. It acts as the central business engine responsible for customer sales, orders, and fulfillment coordination. So, whenever a customer purchases products or services, Oracle Order Management manages the entire order life cycles from the order entry to shipping and invoicing. Okay, so let's say Oracle Order Management connects customer demand, inventory, warehouse operation, shipping, logistics, billing, and financial accounting. So, without a strong order management system, organization experience delayed shipment, inventory shortages, incorrect invoices, customer dissatisfaction, and revenue leakage. You know, uh, so this is why Oracle order management is considered mission critical inside large enterprise organizations. One of the biggest responsibilities of Oracle order management is ensuring that the the right products reach the right customers at the right time while maintaining, all right, uh, complete financial visibility. Okay, you understand that part? So, now that we understand the Oracle management itself, let us connect it to the complete business cycle called order to cash, because order management is only one part of the entire operational and financial journey. So we need to go into the order to cash business cycle to understand um, that part very clearly. Now we are in this slide. Order to cash, also called O2C, is one of the most important enterprise business cycles in modern organizations. It represents the complete journey from initial customer demand all the way to final payment, collection, and accounting. Okay, so Oracle integrates sales, inventory, logistics, warehouse, shipping, um, accounts receivable, and general ledger into one continuous operational flow. So let us take healthcare manufacturing example. Like a hospital submit an order of 100 infusion pumps, you know, software licenses, and medical accessories. Oracle validates contract pricing, customer information, inventory availability, and warehouse allocation. The warehouse team then picks the inventory, packs the product, confirms shipment, and Oracle automatically generate the customer invoice. Finally, payment is received, accounting entries are created, and revenue is recorded in the general ledger. So, without a strong O2C process, organizations experience delayed shipment, incorrect invoices, in- inventory mismatches, poor customer experience, and revenue delays. That is why the OTC cycle is considered the lifeline of enterprise operations. Okay, so now that we understand the order to cash business cycle conceptually, we will stop here at the slide 5, and then we'll continue tomorrow from to slide 6. So it was a pleasure for me to discuss the first 5 slides about Oracle order management and Oracle order to cash. Thank you for being valuable um, uh, audience to listen to us. I will try our best to make sure we deliver more details and more information about how you can understand how you can be an ERP expert. Thank you, and God bless you.